My name is Moses Concas.
Where are you from, Moses?
I'm originally from Italy, Sardinia.
I'm presuming you were on Italy's Got Talent?
Yes, sir. In 2016.
And where did you get to?
I won.
You
I
won?
Simon, yes.
I am Moses Concas. I'm 30 years old. I am the winner of season 7 of Italy's Got Talent.
Spettacolo!
I remember I started very young to love music. My grandma, she was harmonica player. When she would play, it was amazing. And that's when I fell in love with the harmonica. Of course, my parents, they were advising me to get a normal job, but I decided to follow my heart and become a musician. But working as a street performer was not easy. So I decided to audition for Italy's Got Talent. I was there to demonstrate to my family that, I was on the right path,
Moses!
When she said my name, I just started crying a bit like a baby, I'm Italian, so sometimes I cry. I was so proud, and my parents were proud of me as well. And then everything starts from here. I had more than 300-400 concerts. I've been playing all over the world. But this is way bigger opportunity even for me. I know I am against the best in the world, but I wanna win the title of champions of the world. And I'm ready to do whatever it takes.
Do you think you have a chance of winning the whole show?
I think I have the chance to win the show.
Good for you. Right, well, good luck.
Thank you.
Hello. Guys, look.
Oh man, this man looks ready right now.
We'll bring the vibe up. Okay, come on. I want to be blown away.
I don't know, but that looks like fun.
Yo, YouTube, come on, click subscribe. You don't want to make me sad.